friends, it's Krystal Couture from Parabalance Holistic Healing, Holistic Physical Therapy, and Acupuncture. Today I want to talk about microneedling, what to expect, and also aftercare. So after microneedling, you can expect to see some redness on your face for up to 48 hours. This is because we're stimulating the healing response within the face. So that's within the normal process. During the process, you can expect that there may be some pinpoint bleeding. Now, when I do microneedling, and how I was trained is not to bleed the face. If you look at Google and search for microneedling photographs, you can see some really cool before and after pictures. You can also see some really scary before and after pictures. So the process that I engage in is I don't intend to bleed the face. That said, we can have pinpoint bleeding, particularly if you have sensitive skin or if there is damage to your skin or scar tissue within your skin. So that may happen. Typically, the pinpoint bleeding that occurs resolves by the time that we move on from one area to the next of your face. You may also afterwards notice that you have some flaking or peeling or itching of your skin. Again, we're stimulating that wound healing response. So a little bit of flaking is normal. There's an exfoliation that happens. Your face, as I mentioned before, is going to want lots and lots of hydration because serum absorption goes up by up to 1,000%. So some flaking, some exfoliation is normal. A little bit of peeling or itching, that means that your body is doing what it's supposed to. It's healing the skin from the inside out. And that means that we're going to be turning over the skin and turning over those layers underneath the skin as well, which is great. As far as results go, the most evident results are going to actually be 2 weeks after your microneedling session, because that's how long it takes for the wound healing process to take effect and those new skin cells to start to develop. So it's about 2 weeks after, that's when you're going to notice the peak of your results. You may notice some immediate results, but about 2 weeks after is when you're really going to start to see things kind of perk up. As far as what you should do on the day of your treatment. On the day of your treatment, you're going to want to avoid sun exposure. You're going to want to avoid exercise. You're going to want to avoid super hot climates, anything that really raises the temperature up because your face is going to be sensitive at that time. You're also going to want to avoid makeup and certainly exfoliating and washing your skin. You can use like a damp, cool cloth if you'd like to, but really try to avoid anything that has any sort of washing principle to it, because your skin's going to be very sensitive that day, and we want the wound healing process to happen naturally as it does. You can use a calendula spray to kind of soothe your skin if you would like to. Also, you're going to want to drink lots and lots and lots of water. Whenever we move blood, lymph, chi, we have to engage in the whole body's response. Drinking lots of water really helps to move things through and helps us to circulate out any toxins that might arise or something like that. So I want to drink lots of water. About 48 hours after the treatment, you keep using that calendula spray if you need to. You also want to be hydrating your skin 2 times a day. You want to use a natural oil like jojoba or argan or even coconut oil. If you're coming to see me in my practice, I have a face butter that I use shea butter, coconut oil, and cocoa butter actually to mix. It's super hydrating, it's thick, which is great for the skin immediately after a session. And then you're going to, after 48 hours, you're also going to be able to start using a mild wash on your face. 7 days post your treatment, you can return to your normal skincare routine, which would include your exfoliation a couple of times a week. You can return to derma rolling if that's something you can do. You can return to gua sha, and you want to still continue to do frequent hydration of your face with those really nice natural organic products if you can find them, because your skin is still going to feel like it's absorbing. My first time that I did microneedling to myself, it was about a month that I noticed I wanted to hydrate my face at least twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day. So really lots and lots of hydration to your skin during that time.